Hello everyone, my name is Lin Liu. In this video, I'm going to introduce a social innovation project, which is named E-Waste to Knowledge Project. Before I start it, I want to see some pictures. This is the first picture, and this is the second one. Okay, you may be shocked by the e-waste mountain. Now, let's give you a few seconds to think how many e-waste you may create every year. Did you handle them very wisely? I'm pretty sure you have the answer in your heart. Now, there is no doubt we are living in this information technology era. Electronic devices has become the most important tool in our life, but according to the Moore's law, the updating speed is incredibly fast. Normally, a brand new computer becomes outdated, which may only take 2 to 3 years. After that, most people may decide to buy a new device to replace the old one, and old one become e-waste. E-waste can cause so many environmental problems, since some parts of it of making this computer a hazard. It's not easy to dispose of them. Unfortunately, since now we don't have many quite effective way to deal with them. Some countries just ship the waste to the developing countries. It's not a responsible way, since we are living on the same planet. But how about we think in another way? Maybe we can increase use ratio of the electronic devices. Sometimes simple repair and upgrade can extend the lifetime of the e-devices, which means can reduce the waste in a period of time. It's very challenging because the manufacturers always advertise their products and encourage you to buy the latest one. According to Canada statistics, for the fiscal year 2011 to 2012, federal government spending in this area was estimated to be $1.2 billion. That's a lot of money. Okay, about our project. Our project is a new solution for recycling e-waste based on the community scale. We encourage people to donate the used e-devices, and also we collect the malfunction electronic waste, mainly including computers, tablets, or other smart devices. Our project has 6 working processes. The first step is to recycle. People can drop by to donate their e-waste or arrange a time for team members to pick up devices from their home. The second step is filter and centralized treatment. After picking up, our team will do the evaluation and divide them into 2 groups, the usable group and non-usable group. The non-usable part will be sent to the e-waste recycling center. And the third step is to rebuild them. For the usable group, the job of the team members are fixing them and try to reuse the current resources as much as possible. When we finish rebuild, we will donate this computer to the children or to the students for the educational use. And we usually will organize some workshops which are free, teaching the basic knowledge about computers and some basic skill about how to repair and update your computers. All this training can supply enough information for people to reconsider how to use their devices. And we also try to collaborate with the software companies so we can get more support from them. We have 3 goals in this project. Our first goal is going to raise the awareness of the e-waste disposal. The second one, we would like to spread the knowledge of the computer, and the basic skill of the maintenance and the repair. The last goal is we hope to transfer the e-waste to useful devices so we can reuse them for the educational purpose. Finally, the aim for our project is to increase the reuse ratio of the e-waste and making the devices running normally and support the education. So how to measure the success of our project? We decide to build our own KPI, which means Key Performance Indicator System, to evaluate the effects on the community. Since we have our own website to do the survey and get the feedback from the people, it shouldn't be very hard for us to do the KPI. Impact. About the impact of this project, a lot of people can benefit from here actually, especially the young people who desire to learn new knowledge. In the short term, the project can help the community reduce the e-waste and cultivate some good habits of dealing with their devices, which can also help them save money, which is spent on the electronic devices and gaining the knowledge about computers. The team members can enjoy extraordinary experience and acquire many practical communication skills, which may be helpful in building their careers in the future. In the long run, the project can help the people who living in the developing country get education by using our donated computers. So let's start thinking green. Recycling is not easy work. It's challenging. People should give enough attention on it, and we should start from by ourselves, increase the use ratio of their devices, and be cautious to dispose of them. Also, manufacturers have the responsibility to design green devices, which should be less harmful to the environment, instead of just chasing the profits and encouraging people to buy their new products. Hopefully, in the future, people can find a better way to dispose of the e-waste, so everyone can benefit from the new technology without worrying about the environment. Thank you for watching this video.